I'm Carl Wunderlich, Department Chair for Transportation Technologies here at Nashua Community College, and today we are hosting the New Hampshire Skills Competition for automotive refinishing and collision repair. We have 10 students that are here from Dover High School and Lakes Region Technology Center out of Wolfboro, and it's really great to see all the students competing in their respective areas. A lot of great prizes, a lot of good things that are going on.
It wasn't bad. This is my first ever actual competition that I've gone to.
I was definitely a little antsy about it. I was very nervous, but seeing everything, having it explained to me, it mostly went away. Got to have a good hearty breakfast.
A little nerve-wracking, but it was pretty fun in all overall.
I thought it was fun. It was exciting. It was fun just to see what I could do and compete against other students.
Favorite out of all of the tasks was probably painting my panel.
Yeah, probably the painting. I find it fun. And
my brain was probably on autopilot for most of the part. I think I kind of screwed up with some stuff, but I'm not too worried about it. But I'm still really happy I got to come out.
I hope I did pretty good.
I'd say I definitely did my best, and I think I did a relatively good job.
I hope I did good, but there's a few things I could have did better.
I'm just really happy I got to be here today. I've been waiting for this since I first joined the program last year.